baby bus! Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Who is the water park pickpocket? Part 1.
Hey now, I've caught 28 thieves, recovered 38 wallets, and helped who knows how many senior citizens across the street. I'm exhausted. Phew! I can finally take time off from work to have some fun today.
The sun blazed overhead. Officer Doberman, wearing a wide-brimmed straw hat the size of an extra-large pizza, grinned with his lips curled back in excitement.
So this is Forestville's newest water park, FunSplash Park.
A magnificent castle-like water park lay before Officer Doberman's eyes, with bubbles glittering like diamonds rising in the air and floating in his direction from within the park. Inside the park, rainbow-colored ice cream trucks lined the road, and a water coaster was hurtling through mid-air. The water park echoed with the joyous laughter of happy animals. Once in a blue moon, Sheriff Labrador wore casual clothes instead of his police uniform. And today was one of those days. He smiled gently.
Dobie, it looks like we're going to have a good time today. Dobie.
Sheriff Labrador turned to see that Officer Doberman, who was initially standing beside him, was no longer there, but was instead rushing like a tornado into the water park.
Hang on, Dobie, you forgot your ticket.
The water slide looked to be one of the most popular attractions in the bustling water park. Each animal put on their life jacket and slid down the extra-long spiral slide, holding their breath as they made a big splash into the pool below. What a thrilling experience!
This is so much fun! I want to go one more time! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Big Belly Boris, a pig dressed in an orange life jacket and with a belly the size of a watermelon, whooshed down the water slide. After returning the life jacket to the attendant next to the slide, he excitedly wiggled his way back to the entrance to the slide ride.
Sir, please move to the back of the line.
But a long line had formed in front of the water slide, a line that circled the attraction several times.
But if I get in line now, it won't be my turn until dark. Nope, that's not gonna work. I need to figure out a way to cut in line.
Big Belly Boris began looking at the animals at the head of the line, his eyes swaying back and forth like an electric fan. The first animal that caught his eye was a tall and mighty lion. Feeling Big Belly Boris's gaze, Mr. Lloyd the lion furrowed his brow and glared back.
What are you looking at? What? Have you never seen a face as stunning as mine?
Ahead of Mr. Lloyd was a monkey, as thin as a rail, whose eyes darted back and forth.
If I cut in front of the monkey, he'll know right away. Hold on, there's an even better option.
Big Belly Boris noticed a female cat lined up in front of the monkey, who was on her mobile phone with her head down.
I can just slip in front of the cat right now while she is on her phone, and she won't even notice. I'm such a genius.
Big Belly Boris then tiptoed over to the line and cut in front of Miss Pickpocket the cat. Unfortunately for him, Ms. Pickpocket realized something was amiss. She placed her phone back into her pocket.
Meow! Sir, I think you cut in line.
I can make it up. No, I can explain. I was right here in line.
Big Belly Boris did not expect to get caught so quickly, and his face flushed with panic. Ms. Pickpocket bristled with anger.
Meow! Nonsense! Originally, you weren't ahead of me in line.
Big Belly Boris didn't want to give up the chance to ride the water slide again. He turned defiantly to get on the slide.
So, what if I cut in line? If you don't like it, call the police!
Meow! Sir, you forgot your life jacket!
Not wearing a life jacket, Big Belly Boris slipped as soon as he stepped toward the ride and spun down the water slide like a top. On the way down, Big Belly Boris bounced from one side to the other, bumping his head and big belly against the slide over and over again. His head was spinning and quickly started to see stars. Finally, he flew off the slide face downward. Then Big Belly Boris made a loud plop as he belly flopped into the pool, causing a huge splash. Splash! Water splashed on the passing Officer Doberman and drenched him like a wet chicken.
Hey now, my new straw hat! It's soaking wet!
Sheriff Labrador quickly pulled Big Belly Boris from the pool.
Are you all right, sir?
Thanks. I'm Sheriff Labrador? What are you doing here? Don't tell me that it's illegal to cut in line.
It's not illegal, but uncivil. So you shouldn't do it. One more thing. You should wear a life jacket when playing on water rides.
Splash! Right after that, another angry animal came down the slide.
Meow! Catch that pig! He stole my phone!
What? Big Belly Boris stole a phone? I thought he just wanted to cut the line. What happened? To be continued next episode.